What's the meaning of boll? Boll. Boll.
Boll. Boll. Boll has multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. It can refer to a round seed capsule of certain plants, such as cotton or flax. In sports, it refers to a ball used in games such as cricket and bowling. Additionally, it can also be used as a verb meaning to form a boll or to produce bolls. Its significance varies based on the area of application, but generally, the term connotes roundedness, wholeness, or completion, which could be attributed to the spherical shape of a bowl.